Welcome to my channel Book Studio. Effort that echoes. Build it once. Win forever. How to create with permanence in a world obsessed with speed. Prologue. One effort. Endless echoes. There's a kind of effort that doesn't just disappear after the task is done. It stays. It spreads. It multiplies. It's the kind of effort that echoes through time. You don't have to hustle forever. You just have to build once, but build right. Chapter 1. The Sound of Silent Victory. Most people shout their wins. Strategic creators? Their wins whisper, but they last longer. One book, one video, one system, one decision built once continues to win in the background. Electric light bulb. They understand a secret law of the universe. Effort that echoes is effort invested in the right thing, at the right depth, for the long term. Key idea. Don't aim for noise. Aim for resonance. Chapter 2. Digging wells vs. hauling buckets. Imagine two people in a village without water. One hauls buckets from a river daily. The other spends months digging a well. At first, the bucket carrier looks smarter, productive, busy, applauded. But one day, the well is complete. Now water flows without labor. Effort that echoes is well digging. It's slow to start, but infinite once done. Key idea. Short-term hustle is loud. Long-term leverage is quiet and powerful. Chapter 3. One action. 1,000 ripples. You write one article that inspires millions. You build one app that scales worldwide. You record one podcast that lives for years. In the moment, it's just one effort. But with time, it becomes a ripple effect across lives, timelines, and generations. Chart with upward trend. This is the echo. Key idea. Stop building for attention. Start building for permanence. Chapter 4. Build for absence, not presence. Anyone can build something that works while they're watching. True creators build things that work when they're absent. A video that still earns views 5 years later. A product that sells while you sleep. A message that gets shared long after you're gone. Hourglass with flowing sand. This is effort that echoes, work that detaches from your time, but not from your impact. Key idea. If it needs you forever, it owns you. If it runs without you, you own time. Chapter 5. Effort vs. eternity. Ask yourself, am I building something that dies when I stop? Or something that outlives me? Because there are only two types of effort. Effort that evaporates. Effort that echoes. Choose wisely. Key idea. Effort is easy. Endurance is rare. Chapter 6. The echo effect in real life. Here's how real creators build effort that echoes. Authors write evergreen books. Entrepreneurs build automated systems. Designers create templates used for years. Teachers share ideas that change how people think forever. It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right thing, once, deeply. Key idea. Focus on depth, not frequency. Chapter 7. You don't need 10,000 things. You need one done right. You don't need to be everywhere. You need to build something worth echoing. One timeless message. One scalable offer. One system that works when you don't. Bullseye. Focus is the strategy. Echo is the reward. Key idea. Create once. Compound forever. Conclusion. Let your work speak after you're silent. In the end, the greatest creators, thinkers, and builders didn't just chase moments, they designed echoes. They made decisions today that spoke for them long after they were gone. And now, it's your turn. Build something that speaks for you. Not just now. Forever. White heavy check mark. Summary. The 7 pillars of effort that echoes. Think resonance, not noise. Build what lasts. Dig wells. Don't haul buckets. Focus on systems. One ripple can become waves. Go deep once. Design for absence. Build things that run without you. Trade effort for eternity. Don't just work, outlast. Echo requires depth. Shallow efforts die quickly. One great build beats 100 rushed ones. Focus is forever.